in today's video I'm going to be doing some Valentine's Day DIYs. And I'm sorry I haven't posted in like 6 months. I just haven't been filming. So don't forget to hit the big red subscribe button down below. And don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. So without further ado, let's just get started. I started off by cutting out this pink piece of cardstock and then taking this foam heart and drawing these two big eyes on them to make it really cute. And I left some space for a highlight, and I just drew a little smiling mouth at the bottom. And then here I colored it in, and I just took some tape and I put it on the back, and then I just pasted that onto the pink cardstock, just like that. And then I wrote "I love reading" on this right here, and I colored it in with a hot pink Sharpie. Now we're going to be making a sweetheart bracelet, so I just drew a heart onto this pink piece of foam, and then I just cut it out. Then I wrote one of those sweetheart sayings. On this one, I wrote "Be mine." You guys could do any saying you want. You could do this in any color you would like. I just did mine pink, and here's what it looks like. Super cute. And I just took some stretchy silver elastic cord. I actually did not end up knotting this. I ended up taping it, but I just showed myself knotting it anyway though. And then I just took some tape and I turned this over. I know I messed up, and you can see that right there. And then I just took this piece of tape and then taped it on, and then I cut off the edges. This one turned out super duper cute. I love this one so much. You guys can make a bunch of these for your friends and give them. Okay, next we're going to be making some best friend rings. So I just taped these two pieces of foam together, and then I drew these two little hearts. Well, not two hearts, but one full heart between the two. You'll see in a sec when I show you what it looks like. Just like this. It's a best friend ring. You guys probably know how that goes. But do not take the tape off. I kind of regret doing this because it's hard to write BFF on it. But I retaped it and wrote BFF on it and then took it off again. Then take more of that elastic stretchy cord. And also, I did not end up knotting it. I ended up taping it. And then just take each half of the heart and tape it on to the cord. Just like that. And these are super duper cute, and I really like these. Last one we'll be making is some cloud slime. And don't add too much glue because the instant snow really puffs this slime up. So I'm just adding enough. I don't really know how much to put in, so I'm just putting this much in. Then since it's Valentine's Day themed, I just put some pink in it, and then I just mix that all together. Then I just want to be extra, so I put some gold glitter into this slime. Then I mix the gold glitter into the glue and paint all together. Then I took some borax activator and I just activated my slime. You guys want to activate this over-activate this slime because the instant snow really melts your slime. So you just want to over-activate this. That means making your slime really hard and not super stretchy. Here I'm just putting some more borax into this slime. And once your slime starts pulling away from the bowl, kind of like here, just keep on adding more borax until it's completely pulled away. Then I just added some more borax and I'm mixing that in with my hands because it's too hard to mix it with the spoon. And yeah. Next, I just took my instant snow with water in it and I just poured that into the slime. I ended up adding so much more than this. I added a lot and it really expanded my slime. It made it so big. So I just kept on adding until I was happy with the consistency of the slime, and then I just put a foam heart on top because I thought it looked cute, and I ended up taking it off though so I could play with the slime. And for my very first cloud slime, I think this is actually really good. I would really highly suggest making cloud slimes. They're just so cool, so puffy, and so airy, and I really like them. If you guys want more slime videos, just comment down below and I can do more slime videos. So I hope you guys like this video. If you guys like festive DIYs, comment down below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe. And bye guys!